So once we've created the summary tab, the revenue tab, and the expenses tab, next we're going to dive into monthly and annual cash flow modeling and financing debt and refinancing. So first we're going to jump into the creation of a monthly cash flow statement to calculate key investment returns. And that's going to be the next tab that we're going to create. Now, this is really where the bulk of our calculations as far as investment returns are concerned are going to be done. And so we're going to learn how to quickly and efficiently model decades of cash flow projections. So you can look out 10 years, 20 years, 30 years out. It really doesn't matter how long, because the principles that we are going to go over in this course are going to allow you to model out cash flows as far as you want to, using dynamic formulas that will allow you to do this quickly without giving yourself a headache. Then we're going to create an annual cash flow roll-up. So we're going to take all of that monthly cash flow statement data and put it into an annual cash flow roll-up that's easy to view, again, for your investors and partners. So you can take a look at year by year how your cash flows change, and so you can quickly and easily view key milestones of the property, whether you're finishing up your rehab, refinancing the property, or finally selling the deal. Then after we've created the annual cash flow roll-up, we're going to go into how to model complex debt structures and a refinancing of the property. So we're going to actually model acquisition financing and then jump into how to model a refinance and how to create dynamic triggers in Microsoft Excel to add the functionality into your model.